Join me in this journey of making money online. When I talk about making money online, I will tell you that around 2 billion people worldwide make money online monthly, daily, yearly, every second they are making money online. However, out of these ones, of these 2 billion people, they have different clusters of how they make money. Others make money on platforms like social media platforms, and others use different apps to make money by doing tasks, by playing games, and other things. Join me in this journey that I'm going to show you how to make money on this amazing app. This amazing app is called Paid Work. Paid Work is one of the first apps that I started with when I started the journey of making money online. When I was there, I received an email reminding me of really going back to my tasks and make money online. And at the same time, they were reminding me of how I can withdraw my money. Behold, what is this paid work? What do you think about making money on paid work? Truth be told, but before we go in deep into this paid work app, I would love to appreciate each and every person of you that is on Immaculate Show, that has been good on Immaculate Show, that has supported us. You know, Immaculate Show, we are into activities that sets your mind to be free, financially free. We spread love. We say, no, look here, you cannot hold your phone like this. And at the same time, you beg for data. What do you think are those features of that phone? Why do you think they upgraded that phone? The features are meant for you to make money online. We're going to dive into how exactly paid work has transformed millions of lives of human beings as far as finances is concerned. Truth be told, I don't want to put our expectations very high. It's a disclaimer. It depends on how you handle this app, paid work. I've been using it for more than 1 year. Talk less, I think it is 2 years. But how you approach it matters. And this is a game on making money online. The way you do it matters so much. So what do we talk about paid work? Paid work is ranked highly, by the way. It is one of the app that is ranked highly. And also, if you want to know that this paid work is worth it for you to participate in, you go to the reviews. When you look at the reviews, most of the reviews, as you can see on the screen, are very positive. However, we cannot fail to have the negative reviews. The negative reviews are there, but what I consider most, I weigh what about the negative and the positive, which one is more higher as in terms of appreciation. So let's go and say that it is rated highly. It is 4.5 on Presto, and it is almost everywhere. Why you should use this app? One of the things that is I really recommend it for, it is free, it is not paid. You just log in into your phone and start using it, as I'm going to be taking you step by step on how to use it. Then the third why you should really dive into this in this paid work, it has different tasks, it has different ways of earning money. We're going to be seeing that it has more than 6 ways of earning money. So depending on which country you are and the timing that you have, you can make money online. You can make money with these apps. These are money making apps. So how I recommend it, whenever you are there, you need to really dive in it. And another thing, why you should also use it, the method of payment is friendly. Most people say that they are not going for some of them because they don't have PayPal, they don't have this, and they don't have the other. But this one uses a cryptocurrency whereby you can send to your wallet, and at the same time, from wallet you can send it anywhere, or you can even turn into money. Let's dive in and see exactly what is this paid work. Paid work is the app that is found on both types of gadgets. When I say types of gadgets, I mean both Android, and at the same time you can find it on Apple, on Presto. So what you do, you go direct to your Android, and that is you can go to Presto or you can go to Google Play and download it. When you download, just put paid work. When you download it, it will come like this. When it comes like this, me, I've already downloaded it. You can now see it on my screen, how it will look like. How do you do registration? It is simple. You are going to register in different ways. You can register using your email, you can register using your Facebook, you can register using your Google account. Me, I use it by Google account. It is easy for you to go in. When you've already set up your account like this, you are done. The only thing you need to do is to go to your email and verify it, because you have to be protected. The scammers are very many to take your account. So when you reach there, why are we on this? Why are we on this Play Store? I want you to go up on your dashboard. On the dashboard, as you can see, we are now going to start making money. I'm here to challenge you that I'm going to make some bucks of money with you right now. But before challenging you and before teaching you, we see, is it workable? Can you do it? You can, let me show you the different ways of earning money on this app. You have 6 different ways of earning money on this app, of which one of them is not, it might not favor all of us because it is only for USA and Canada. Which one is that? It is scan receipt. So but if you're in those countries, it means you have all the ways of earning money. But if you're outside of those countries, it means you have other ways. Now let's start with the first one. We have playing games, we have filling out surveys, we have watching videos, microtasks, we have online shopping and scan receipt, the one which was added recently, and it is specifically for some nations. Now, I always tell you people, when you come on this, if you want to work enough money, making money online on these apps, all the apps, websites that make money, go for the apps or go for tasks that pay highly. But most people go for the apps. For example, which apps do which tasks here pay you highly? Because we always make a target of making $100 per day, $200 per day, talk less of $50 per day. On this app, you can earn from $3, $50 on a daily basis, depending on the app you're going to use. Let's see now. I mean, depending on the task that you're going to choose, the method of earning that you're going to choose. Every 3.6 dirham is equivalent to 1,000 points. So meaning this app rewards you in points, of which these points are turned into money. So if you go to any activity and you find there is 10 points, that means you can convert it to your currency. You can convert it to dirham, you can convert it to shillings, you can convert it to dollars. Now let's go and see, how do I start watching videos? That is one of the easiest ways that I started with, and I earned on it. I earn on it. It is easy for me to make $10 a day when I have like 5 hours at home or even anywhere. This method, this type of making money online, you can do it from anywhere, irrespective of where you are. But there are some type of method of earning that they need you to concentrate as you're going to be looking at them. The easiest way to make money on this, it is by watching ads. And as you can see on our screen, it's very easy. Click on watch videos. When you click on watch videos, you can see in front there is an. When you click on there, they are going to give you 2 options. You click there. The moment you click, sometimes you're told to verify whether you're a human being by following the drop box. Maybe they give you some catch up, you do it. But if they don't tell you, you go direct and start watching videos. These videos are in points and they take only 10 seconds. Whenever they finish, you cross and go to another video. When you finish the video, it tells you you have finished it successfully and the points are rewarded. Remember, I told you every 1,000 points is equal to 3.6 dirham. So then there is also one of the best ways for you to earn enough money. As I always tell you, go for high paying tasks, is filling surveys. Filling surveys, one of it that you can get on filling surveys. When you go to filling surveys, you can earn from there from 0.37 to 18.5 each survey. And there are different ways of surveys, as you can see on our line. You can make surveys from BitLabs, or you can also do surveys from eBrain. But eBrain might not be located in any country that you're in. Like where I am, this one is those types of surveys are not located to me, so I cannot fill them. You open promptly, follow the prompts and really nicely and fill out your surveys and earn enough money. Then let's go to microtasking. Microtasking is one of the best that I recommend everybody to take up, especially people who want to learn. Here you'll be earning and at the same time you'll be learning. Microtasking, you complete tasks in different ways. There is tasks, there is courses, there is even quizzes. Now, what do we talk about here? When you complete a course, you earn and you get access to another task on this. Yeah, as I was telling you, you can get different tasks on here and you can acquire new skills. I loved that. There are some skills that I learned from here. As I told you, this was my first app for me to start on making money online. So I learned a lot of things like making videos, writing, writing articles. That's where, by the way, I got a skill of writing articles. So they say the more courses you complete, the more tasks you'll have access to. The courses will also allow you to acquire new skills completely for free, and you earn money by completing tasks. So choose tasks related to the subject you complete. When you finish a course, for example, you are given a task and you start earning money. What you do, you need on here, you only need to choose the right subject and you start money or start earning. You have to complete at least 60% of the course to unlock other tasks. Let's go to playing games. You people, if you a love of playing games, because I know most, especially men right now, they love playing games. You find the boys are playing games. So instead of playing games which are not paid, please run to paid work. On playing games, you play games and earn from zero point 0.3 dirham to 185.5 dirhams. What you do, you install the games that you like and complete a special task in the game. For example, reach a certain character level or unlock a feature. Some tasks take several days to complete. The more difficult the task, the more money that you start. So you can see here that you are in position to earn 183 dirhams. If you would do now 5 tasks, how much is that? That is a lot of money. These ones, you have different types of games. For the lovers of games, you can open and see how you can do it. Let's go to another one. There is online shopping. Online shopping, all of us, we have chosen, online shopping is one of the trending thing, the thing that has been now that has taken over the market, the e-commerce. So earnings start from 1.83 dirhams to 91 dirhams. That is almost 191.7. I'm talking about dirhams because I'm in United Arab Emirates, so my earnings are converted into dirhams on this app. On this app, you shop various products and participate in free trials. The amount you will get back depends on the value of the product that you purchase. So instead of going and purchase from other platforms whereby they don't give you amount of money on your account, you rather use this one. The cashbacks are in different ways. You can get cashbacks on the health and beauty products, on sports products, services. There's also fashion products, travel, house. So everything is there. You'll get different types of brands like Surfshark, Temu is there. You people who are buying things on Temu, pass through paid work. The moment you pass through paid work, you're going to get your cash back. On Temu, they are giving 2%. On Surfshark, they are giving 40%. On One Travel, they are giving 5%. Group One, they are giving 6%. There are a lot of brands that are here. When we go to the beauty products, a lot of brands. So out of this one, I'm very sure you can earn money with this app in different ways. Then when you go to the last but not least, it's about scan receipts. Scan receipt is, yeah, scan receipts was introduced recently, and it is mainly for only 3 countries. It is for United States, it is for Canada and United Kingdom. What you do, if you want to join the wait list, you click there, scan shopping receipts to earn money. To earn money, what you do, you only need, when shopping in stationery stores, do not throw away your receipts. Save them to earn extra money with this earning method. You guys, what are you saying now? I know someone out there is going to say, Christine, I used this type of method. I tried, but I got small amount of money. Yes, that's why I've said, if you're starting this earning on money, there are some of them that are just for you to make sure that you don't be out of cash, you don't be out of money. When you're seated there, you're like, hey, I don't have $20, I don't have $50, $100. You go and check, you find you have $50 and you withdraw your money. You should not fail to go outside with your fellow friends because you don't have money. So this one is to bring you some cash that you should always be financially free. So guys, if you want to earn money, more money on this app, what you need to do, you need to be present. You also need to look for the high peak hours for you where the tasks are more packed, especially the watching of videos. It is always in the night. People are sleeping, so they are enough. That's what I use. Then you go for the surveys which are highly paid.